Hi student, welcome to shsirclasses. Today I am going to draw circle by using pencil, compass and scale. First of all, draw a line of 4 centimeter length. Okay. Next, I am going to use pencil compass to measure the line by this way. Okay. Next, I'm going to taking a point, arbitrary point here, and putting this here and turning about the point. We get our required circle, and this is the center O, and from O up to this curve I'm going to join. Okay, now O A, and is also A. This is 4 semi and this is 4 semi. Okay, O is the center and OA is the radius of the circle, and this is the perimeter of the circle. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe.